If you're in the world of central heating, whether you install, service, repair or wire up the controls, this video is for you. The last one was all about have you got the correct multimeter for the job that you're doing. So obviously with central heating we need our all singing and dancing with a thermometer multimeter, because that's what's going to be needed when you're doing anything with a boiler or a system and also repairs. When you go into a house, you need to have a couple of things. One, my yellow book, as you can see, it's all about fault finding, but also setting up the boiler, checking the electrics, making sure that they are correct, and the wiring in the house and the wiring in the controls are correct. Then the boiler works beautifully. But it's also some of the hints and tips where maybe you'll do the boiler change and there's something wrong with the system. Maybe a valve is seized up, worn out, whatever. This fault finding book is just for you. Now, along with that are apps. So the most important app is our blue one, where I show you stage by stage, chapter by chapter, how to test a pump or a valve or a sensor, because that knowledge is absolutely crucial to make sure that when you finish doing a boiler change, there's not other things that's going to stop it working. And also the other app is the F22, and that I'm very pleased to say has been very popular, because one thing you can do from that app is you've got the fault finding charts or the error codes, but most importantly you can phone the factory. Where I've got a direct line into technical services, I've included that. But basically, don't wait till the evening and post something on Facebook. I did this 8 hours ago, can you help me? Phone from the job. Hopefully all the phone numbers etc are good. I've tested them lately. I haven't found any errors, but if there are, please let me know and we can update the app whenever. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy. If you lack experience or confidence in going to somebody's house and fixing a boiler, then please look at my videos. I cover almost every subject on YouTube, so go and subscribe, like the channel, and watch all the different ones. If you have a comment or a question, leave them below. That's what it's for. But my book, apps and videos are there for you to learn with confidence. The best testing and the best training is in a factory environment. But as those courses are almost disappearing, I've made videos and apps and books to help you learn at home.